Yeah, so I have chopped up a sample here. There's a link in description to the sample. You might hear it already from here what it is, but it's quite a famous sample. So let's chop it up even more and see what we come up with. Let's add a little bit some melodies on top of it. I decided to use these jazz drums from Splice this time. Let's organize them a little bit here. So next I added an 808 and used Kickstart 2 to sidechain it to the kick. I tweaked the hats so they fit in the rhythm. And here we got our final beat for today. If you liked the video, give me a like and subscribe.